In just a few moments, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of one of internet's biggest sensations. And who am I talking about? MrBeast. MrBeast is one of the biggest internet sensations. As you all know, he has taken the internet by storm. He's got this magical aura that makes everyone want to meet him or be part of whatever he's doing. And you might be wondering, how can you get involved or participate in all those cash grabbing and amazing challenges he has been doing? Well, buckle up, because we are going to unravel the mystery behind all the challenges he has been doing. And guess what? It might look like a mission impossible, but it is possible. One thing you need to know about is that MrBeast is not just about creating viral video, but he's also into all of this charity and kindness, giving out things to people and many other things. No wonder his fans are very curious about what he's about to do next, because each and every of his videos are crazy, are beyond what everyone can think about. So if you are watching this video right now, you are in luck, because right in this video you will definitely learn how to participate in all those challenges. You get reward, and that reward can actually turn your life around. The journey begins here. All you have to do is to join his Discord and also fill a form of the challenge. So I'll be breaking down everything to you in a practical order. To join the Discord, first thing you need to do is to click the link right in the description below or the pinned comment below. You'll be asked to provide your display name. Next up, you'll be asked to verify that you are a human by solving the captcha that is displayed. On the next page, you will need to provide your date of birth. To finalize your registration, you need to provide your login email and password. Also ensure you verify your email address. Once you are inside, there are some rules you must adhere to. Pay close attention to the rules. They are there for a reason. You don't want to accidentally break any and miss out on your shot to glory. Speaking of rules, one of the most important ones is that you mustn't share the challenge server link anywhere else. This keeps the competition fair and ensures that everyone has a fair shot at participating. Also, and most importantly, don't even think about streaming the challenge on your own. MrBeast's team has got that covered, and they want to maintain control over all the events. And here is no brainer. Cheating in any form is strictly prohibited. Remember, MrBeast values fairness above all else. Once you've got the rules down, the next thing you need to do is to fill the Google form for the challenge you want to participate in. I'll be dropping the link to the Google form right in the description below. Ensure you check it out. But here is the exciting part. Your selection has to do with your participation in the Discord channel, also on your server, and also your performance as a MrBeast fan. So ensure you keep yourself busy by participating in different events that are going on in the Discord. And who knows, you might land yourself a very big opportunity for you to make a lot of money just by participating in any of the challenges. Getting into a MrBeast challenge is not as hard as it seems. All you have to do is to ensure that you follow the step-by-step guide we have actually practicalized for you earlier in this video. Also ensure you follow the rules and regulations. This is going to ensure that you stay long in the Discord community, and also ensure that you follow every discussion that is being discussed in the Discord community. Ensure you fill the form, the Google form. This is very, very important also. So don't waste any time at all. Just jump right into it. If you found this video helpful, ensure you hit the like button and also smash that subscribe button. And hey, I've got something for you. Just click the video that just pop up on the screen right now and find out exactly what I've got for you. Whatever you do, never stop making money.